Everybody, welcome again to another video, and today we are gonna learn how to draw hands, like how to draw hands, and yeah, let's get to the paper and pencils. Here we are. We have something to talk about. If you go online searching like how to draw hands, how to draw animals, like these types of videos, if you watch those type of videos, then I think you are probably a beginner. And if you are a beginner, then that's absolutely fine, because you don't know how to study actually. Because the videos you watch about how to draw animals or how to draw hands is actually the creator who is making that video is their studies. So I'm not gonna tell you how to draw a hand. I'm gonna teach you in this video how to study hands, and that's how actually you learn to draw hands or anything you want. So the study process I'm gonna talk about in this video is made by me, and most of the artists use this type of similar to this type of study. The study contains 4 steps: observation, simplification, memorization, and final draft. So let's go over all of this. So observation is when you observe the thing you are drawing. So like if I am trying to draw hands or anything like animals or a bottle, even a bottle or anything you want, you need to observe it first very carefully. You need to observe it. And how you can improve your observation? Just by observing things. You need to observe things better. And then comes the second part, simplification. And simplification means you need to simplify things. So let's go with hands, because this video is called how to draw hands, and I'm not talking about drawing hands, I'm talking about drawing bottles like that. So this is hand, and you can simplify it like this is one block. You can simplify it, and you can also do those type of things. So you need to simplify things. And the third is memorization. So when you simplify, you need to put a really close attention to the subject you are studying, and then you need to memorize it. What I mean by memorization, you need to see it very carefully and you need to memorize it. And then the fourth step is final draft, where you draw it again without even looking to the drawing or the reference. So that's the fourth step method that I personally use, and you can also do it, and you can also learn about this in a very very detailed way in my masterclass on Skillshare. I have linked it below, and you can watch it absolutely for free. Use the link in bio and sign in for Skillshare free trial. You will get like 30-day free trial on Skillshare. You can watch that class with that free trial and also many other classes, and those classes are gift for me to your site. And that was it. Simplify. So the 4 steps is simplification, observation, memorization, and final draft. And I hope that helps. And it was a short video. And yeah, it was a short video promoting my Skillshare class, and I hope you watch that class. And because I made it very and also on that class I talked about how to active flow when you are drawing like that. So it's not about just how to practice, it's everything you need to know about practice drawings. And you can find it on Skillshare, link will be in the description. And that was it. Goodbye.